What to do when your smartphone is stolen. A step-by-step guide. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about what to do when your smartphone is stolen. Losing your phone can be a stressful experience, but there are steps you can take to protect your personal information and prevent the thief from using your device. Try to locate your phone. If you have a Find My Device app for Android or a Find My iPhone app for iOS, you can use it to try to locate your phone. If you are able to find your phone, you can remotely lock it or erase its data. Report your phone stolen to the police. This will create a record of the theft and may help you recover your phone if it is found. Contact your phone carrier. You can report your phone stolen to your phone carrier, and they will be able to block your SIM card. This will prevent the thief from making calls or using data on your phone. Change your passwords. It is important to change your passwords for all of your online accounts, including your email, social media, and banking accounts. This is because the thief may be able to access these accounts if they have your phone. Be aware of scams. Thieves may try to contact you and claim to have your phone. They may ask for money in exchange for its return. Do not give anyone any money or personal information. Tips to protect your smartphone from being stolen. Keep your phone with you at all times, especially when you are in public places. Do not leave your phone unattended in public places, such as in a car or on a table at a restaurant. Use a strong password or PIN code to lock your phone screen. Enable the Find My Device app or Find My iPhone app on your phone. Keep your phone's software up to date. That's it for today's video. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks.